Hi, my name is Shantanu Matre. I am currently pursuing computer science engineering from AC Patil College of Engineering, Kharghar, and I have a keen interest in cyber security. So I was just exploring about some cyber security classes nearby in Navi Mumbai. So I got to know about Awdiz Institute here in Vashi, and I inquired about the cyber security class here. I joined the class in March, and it was instructed by Ali sir. I learned about web application security. Also, I have learned some softwares like Burp Suite, Metasploit. Also, how to find bugs in website. Also, they have provided me an internship of 3 months, which will help me further in my career. Thank you.